Hello everyone, I am Akshit Jain and I am an aspiring actuary. So, when I first heard the word actuarial science, I had no idea what this career profession actually is. But now, being in this profession and clearing few papers, I can definitely say it is one of the most rewarding yet challenging career profession to be a part of. So, if you are someone who is curious if this profession is for you or not, this video is for you. So be addressing some of the few common questions. So the first question I like to address is what is actuarial science? So if in few words I can say an actuary is someone who manages future risk, but how? Through the profession, they build that analytical predictive power to build models and measures and quantify the uncertainties of future. So let me give you a case example which will make your understanding crystal clear. So basically, when COVID was there, if you know, like the common populations have life insurance, health insurance, of course, and in COVID, many of the people have made claims of life insurance, health insurance, correct? Due to like so much claim amount and very like high frequency of claim, there were none of the insurance companies who were like on the verge of bankruptcy or not even were facing major solvency issues. How is that even possible? It was all possible due to the calculations of an actuary. So yeah, actuary has like calculated everything so well in advance that even in severe situation and like no insurance companies will be facing any solvency issues. So they have different work in different segments like insurance, banking, pensions, consultancy. So it's a different topic. Now, second thing I'd like to address is what are the major challenges one will face in this career profession. So the major challenge is explaining others what is actual science. Like if a relative asks you, it's like, "Are you doing science?" Something like that, but ignore it. Jokes apart, the like major challenge is all about your mindset. If you have made in your mind that you have to do this with all the hard work and smart work, you will be able to achieve it. Correct. What are like for each study strategies, I'll be making different videos for each of the subjects, like 5 subjects that I have cleared till now. So the next question I'd like to address is what will someone learn if someone decide to pursue actual science? Except from the theoretical part, you will also be able to develop technical skills such as Excel, learning a coding language such as R programming. Apart from the paper studies, you will be able, like you can yourself develop other skills such as VBA, Python, and much more. So yeah, and lastly, I like to say that is it only that someone who is very much good, like someone who is a human calculator, will be able to pursue actuarial science? It's not like that. It's not that you have to be a human calculator to be actually the only thing you have to have is that analytical mindset. Along with that, the curiosity to learn new things, plus deep diving into the formulas, like how it was derived and everything like the that. And not like you will be given a calculator to solve the stuff, so it's not like you have to be a human calculator to be like an actuary. So yeah, this was it for this video. If you have any other questions, comment down below and I'll be happy to address it. Thank you so much for watching my video.